I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, but let's first get into me doing my hair. So this is the final look. It's just a simple brush my hair and put a hairband in. The hairband my sister gave me and it matches this top. I'm sure this top was from F&F/Tesco. Don't think they do it anymore. So I can't link them down below. But the jeans I'm going to show you in the further video, I will try and link them down below. I'm trying to start linking things in my Instagrams and my YouTube. So this is the palette I'm going to use. I haven't used this palette for quite some time. These are the colours. So I'm going to do a pinky look with a bit of pink glitter. Mostly like a natural pink look. First I need to put on this. My pore blurring primer with vitamin C and E. Now I'm going to put my concealer on and I'm just going to do the base makeup. So this is the highlight I've got. This is the highlighter I've got. I'm going to use the lightest shade, so the white, like a whitey silver. And then the blusher I've been using for quite a while. Should probably bin it, but this blusher here, I love it. It's not too bright, but it's so nice. And then we're going to get on to my eyeshadow. Now we've done the base makeup, pretty much. The first eyeshadow I'm using is that one there. It's called, it's called this. And if you have not watched one of my makeup videos before, because I know I've got a couple of new subscribers, I have two eyeshadow brushes that I normally use just whenever I put makeup on. I've got loads more, but these two are the ones that I use the most. So this one's for glitter and that one's for the first base. So I will be starting off with this one. This is the brush I'm using now, and I'm going to use this colour here. I'll put the name here. But the next step is to do my mascara. The last time I put this on, this clampy thing to actually curl my lashes was the last video, but I never really used it, and it does actually quite work. It does work, so I'm going to use it today. And again, I'm using Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Now I'm going to use this lipstick. This lipstick is from Maybelline. I love this lipstick. It's amazing. So this is the final look for the makeup. It's just subtle but a bit of pink, like girliness. Let me show you the outfit. So this is the outfit. I've just got a puffy top on, and these have like flowers on and everything like that. Just tucked it in, and then I've got these jeans. Well, I've recently just got. They're like balloon jeans. They've got like this bit here, and then that is the bottoms. But that is the final look. Let me know what other videos you want in the comments, and if you did like this video, give it a like. Let's just have a chat in the comments. I love chatting to you guys, and yeah, bye.